In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product descriptions, details, and pricing in Lovable AI website builder. To get started, open your project in Lovable. Once you're inside the project, look for the Visual Edits option or simply click Edit, depending on the version of the interface you see. This takes you into the area where you can directly update the content displayed on your website. From there, navigate to the product section or the specific product page you want to work on. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the correct product content before making any changes. Once you've found the right section, click directly on the product title, description, price, or product details you want to update. When you click on one of those fields, the editing panel should appear. In that panel, update the text with your new content. This could be something simple, like changing a product price, or something more detailed, like rewriting a description to better explain the item's features and benefits. As you make changes, try to keep the wording clear, accurate, and consistent with the tone of your store. After updating the text, preview the changes. This step helps you confirm that everything looks right on the page and that the formatting still makes sense. It's especially useful when editing longer descriptions or product detail sections, because even small changes can affect how the content appears visually. Once you're happy with the update, click Send, Save, or Publish to apply the changes. The exact button may vary, but the goal is the same: to make sure your edits are officially applied to the site. There's also a second method you can use, which is especially helpful if you want to make updates more quickly. Instead of editing each field manually, you can use AI prompts inside the Lovable chat or prompt box. For example, you can type instructions like changing a product's price from one amount to another, updating a product description to highlight durability and waterproof features, or adding a specification section that includes dimensions and weight. You can also ask Lovable to change all product prices to Philippine pesos or update product details across all products and make them more SEO friendly. This method can save time, especially if you're making repeated or large-scale edits across multiple items. That's how to update product descriptions, details, and pricing in Lovable AI website builder. Follow these steps carefully, preview before publishing, and you'll keep your product pages accurate, polished, and ready for customers.